Let's go.
Sometimes things don't go as planned.
Pay attention. Did you put that ball there?
They aren't taking no for an answer.
Look at this dude.
She doesn't just think she's superior. She's absolutely convinced of it.
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
Who's...
Okay, no, no. Oh. No.
He gets more aggressive.
Yeah.
Oh, then he goes to the face.
Yeah.
The bigger the body, the bigger the need for love.
No! Hell no! Chicken on the board. Chicken on the board.
Good girl.
I know. It's okay. I'm doing this. Is it time to eat breakfast?
Maximum focus. That critic is overseeing food quality control.
Good boy. Good boy, Smalls. All right, get ready.
Oh boy, baby's first time playing with a paw.
Ha. Ha.
Oh my gosh.
Let's not. Oh.
This is the best.
What's that? What's that? Get it, good boy.
Luca.
Hello.
Please help me.
Oh my god!
He's like, help me.
The big dog is practicing positive safety habits.
Makes the big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Huh?
Ready to go?
Let's go!
Oh my God.
Show us how you go down the stairs.
Come here.
Get up here.
think he needs a stronger running start.
Recycle. Pick up the other one. Pick it up. No, you already put that.
No.
What is this? Winston.
He tried. At least he tried.
Oh no!
When you lose the love of your life out the window.
Ready? No, don't like you. She don't like you. She don't like you.
What's going on here?
All his calmness has an expiration date, and it ends when Dad gets home.
No, you were going to play. No.
I'm just gonna show you how much I love you.
Hey! You just knocked my pillow off the couch. Hey!
The real boss of the house usually isn't the one paying the bills.
Hey! Oh my goodness. You better listen. Hemi, Leon.
Nope.
What? You gonna talk back to me right now?
Question for people who don't like chihuahuas. Have you ever hung out with a chihuahua? Have you ever spent time with a chihuahua? Do you know a chihuahua personally? I don't believe you.
What do you want? Show me what you want. You want to go home?
Go home to mommy.
You want your mommy? Okay.
What does it feel like to go on a short trip with your siblings? Well, now he knows.
Place. Place.
Hello. Yep, they did it again.
She's teaching him proper manners.
Estoy bien, viejo. Deja que me reponga. What happened?
Benji! Benji's sleeping. Oh, sorry, I didn't want to wake you up.
This dog figured out how to make Dad stop working.
Do not touch this.
Come here. Come. I'm warning you, buddy. I told you, bud.
Sometimes a movie only needs a single actor.
What the hell is this?
What?
Uh-oh.
Any lawyers willing to take this case for free? He needs someone to defend him.
No! Oh my god.
Uncle Angel is not doing his job. You have one job. Look behind you.
The food thief has been caught. This is how you relax on hot summer days.
Bro, I never said you was going with me, dude. Bro, I didn't say that. Dude, I never told you you was going with me.
She got the perfect lap dog. Legend has it, she is still looking for her ball to this day.
What's the problem?
And now it's all better.
Oh my goodness.
Is that your dad? Is that a hug, or are you gonna try to keep him captive all day?
Why didn't anyone tell me this was an Oscar-winning performance?
Ah, you should have never trusted me.
I'm going to die!
He's dead.
Did I kill him? We're gonna have to jumpstart his heart. 200 volts.
Oh no!
400 volts.
He's alive!
Listen.
Oh shit!
Are you serious?
Personal security system activated. He's making sure she's safe at all times.
What is that?
Terrible las putas que se me tiran. Se me avalanchan en el lado. Las zorras putas.
Hey, big guy, what's the password to get through?
Oh my God!
Oh, he got a prickle. Dicey. Is that better? Good girl.
That's a good girl.
Stealth mode activated, except for the part where everyone can still see him.
I bet you won't run up. I bet you won't run up. I bet you that.
Hi.
When this kid wants to make new friends, does anyone have a solution?
Don't let her jump in!
And where is the flute? Oh, where is the flute? Where is the flute? Where is the flute? Where is the flute?
These fans are definitely over the moon about their idol's victory.
이거 tu ci giurino di che puoi che.
What's happening? Everybody stay calm. What's the procedure, everyone? What's the procedure? Stay calm! Wait.
Size doesn't matter in a fight. The one who yells the loudest wins.
Come on.
Nope.
It's not a good look. Come on. You've got to get... Oh, for goodness sake, boy.
This is the dog that's just been chasing crows.
Oh.
Easy bunny.
Sure.
Come on, Mom. I haven't got all day.
Yeah.
He can see them through the shade, but they can't see him. Stealth mode activated. A rare crocodile species has been spotted in this lake.
I'll sit down.
Continue.
Yoink.
Someone refuses to be ignored for even 2 seconds. Otherwise, Dad will definitely face the consequences.
He got so close.
Bro, chill.
Look at your back size.
No. No, no.
Looks like this is today's most effective pre-workout.
Girl.
Yeah, they're yeah.
If this were a competition for the sweetest hugs, this dog would be the champion.
Just.
Come down and say hi.
Never let them know your next move, especially when Dad gets home. Well, he finally figured out how to earn his rent. There are no lazy footprints on the road to becoming a professional guitarist.
Potty. Oh, God. Are you? Oh, it's slippery. Toffee.
Huh?
You better get down. Get down.
She got down.
Oh my God. You okay, dude?
Never let anyone know your next move. He just wants to be part of everything.
Ziggler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver speed? Oh!
Are you a fucking idiot? Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Get up.
El split.
And this is exactly why you shouldn't make your bed.
You're gonna be in trouble.
Look on the ground. On the ground. Look.
Huh?
Je suis à bout nerveusement et là il mange mon os en plus, ce petit.
He tried to look calm, but inside he was full of raging whirlwinds.
Merci papa et maman pour ce petit.
I'm sorry. No more treats. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Okay. Demilamano. Demilamano.
That's one good dream Amber's having.
What the dog doing?
Huh? My name is Theodore Tiny Dog Roosevelt Chang, guardian of the front door, protector of my humans. If you threaten my family, I will unleash a fury of bark so mighty, you'll rethink your entire life's decisions.
I also react like this when looking in a mirror. I've survived blizzards way worse than this.
Aus. Ja! Nochmal. Aus. Ja!
Louie, you sleeping in the snow? Is that the best place to sleep, do you think? You comfortable?
One more time.
Oh shit, not good.
When you live in the hood, your dog knows the drill.
Oh my God! What is that?
He worked a full 12-hour shift. Let that baby rest.
Come on, Bronco. Let's go.
Nope.
Come on, buddy.
I'm coming for you!
How to call a dog. His ball control is better than mine.
Help me! Help me!
I'm okay.
I got you, homie!
She finally caught it, and she's never letting go.
Where'd he go?
She stood there like a rock. I think she genuinely believed you couldn't see her if she didn't move. Where is his freedom of speech?
Helicopter, helicopter.
It's time to say goodbye. Thank you for taking the time to watch this entire video. We hope you had relaxing and enjoyable moments. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe to our channel to receive notifications when we upload new videos. See you in the next video.